How's it, guys? Welcome to today's video. As you can see from the title of this video, we will be restoring this faded bumper trim to its original black. So for the first step, we're going to wet sand the whole surface to prep the surface for paint. So you want the surface to be a bit rough so the paint has somewhere to stick on. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it gives you the motivation and the confidence to attempt it on your own. For the sanding, I'm using a 600 grit sandpaper. It's not too coarse, it's not too fine, just enough to get the necessary scratches on there for the paint to grip on. During this process, I'm wet sanding using a bucket of water and the After masking the surrounding body panels, we are giving the surface a wipe down with isopropyl alcohol. We will be spraying with a matte black color spray can. Note, you want to put it in warm water and shake it very thoroughly for plus minus 2 minutes before you start painting. Now we're giving the bumper trim light coat. It's the first light coat, just enough for it to get started. The second coat is a light to medium coat, just to get that coverage on the whole surface. Our third coat is a very heavy wet one to bring out the color that we want. Okay, after the fourth layer of paint, I think I'm happy with the results. Now we can unmask and enjoy the result. It's really amazing. I would definitely recommend doing this restoration.